Your computer network operates much like a car. When everything runs smoothly, it's fantastic. But when it breaks down, your entire day can come to a grinding halt. Unfortunately, many businesses treat their computer network like an old clunker, outdated, neglected, and prone to frequent breakdowns. It's full of aging components, hasn't been properly maintained, and isn't reliable. When it fails, it leaves you stranded, causing frustration and expensive repair bills. But what if your network was like a sleek, modern car, let's say a Mercedes, reliable, efficient, and designed to give you peace of mind so you can focus on running your business instead of worrying about IT issues? At Solve, we can make this a reality with our managed IT services. We'll take care of your entire network for you. Just like regular oil changes or tune-ups keep a car in top shape, our proactive maintenance ensures your network stays in peak condition. By addressing potential issues before they escalate, we prevent major disruptions. Partnering with Solve is like having an experienced mechanic riding along with you. We're constantly monitoring your network to ensure everything runs smoothly. And if something goes wrong, we'll be there immediately to fix it, minimizing downtime and hassle. If you'd like a network that's as reliable as a Mercedes, but without the luxury price tag, reach out to us for a quote today.